meanwhile the phone is not switching on. For example, this mobile PCB is not switching on. So what is it you're gonna check? That is what I want you to understand. If you get a phone, meanwhile the phone is having wireless problem, what is the section that you're gonna check, and what are the components that you're gonna check? So these are the things in which I want you to understand in this video, because understanding it just on this mobile PCB right in front of me right now, you can understand it on any mobile PCB. Okay, so let me just highlight you about this, and if you are here and you don't understand anything, then I think you still need to watch some of my videos in which I will keep my playlist in the comment section and in the description, that you can see a lot of videos there that will help you understand this video more better. Okay, so if you get a phone, for example, you get this phone right in front of me and the phone is not switching on, then you try checking. I think you guys know how to use a multimeter. Then you try checking and you see that the phone is shorting. For example, if it's shorting directly from the battery connector, which is the battery connector right here, if the phone is fully shorting from the battery connector, which means that the positive and the negative battery connector is connected, so you will need to understand that that problem is coming from the power section of the mobile PCB, and that is why you will need to know the power section on that mobile PCB and know the components that are dealing with a high voltage. Full shorting are always caused by components which are dealing with high voltage, or maybe the exact voltage that comes out from the battery connector. So what are the components that can short a phone to be fully shorting to the extent that it will be shorting on this terminal? I want you to understand this. In this PCB, this is the power section of this PCB. When I talk about power section, I'm talking about the sections on a mobile PCB that distribute voltages, that takes the voltage from the charging